Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today we are making Ghanaian Tatale recipe or Ghanaian plantain pancake recipe. So if you have overripe plantain in your house, don't throw it away because you are going to fall in love with this recipe after watching this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. For this tatale recipe, I'll be going for this ripe plantain, and the overripe plantain is best for this recipe, so don't get rid of it, okay? So I'll start by peeling off the skin from this plantain. I've washed it off camera, so no need washing it again. I was so lucky to get this double plantain right here. Anytime I get this kind of plantain from the market, I pray to God to give me double blessings. That was just by the way, okay? So after peeling off the skin from the plantain, I will go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces as if I'm going to fry it. You can also blend this if you want. So I have with me here my asanka, which is going to help me with the grinding process. You can also use potato masher if that is what you have, okay? Now after cutting the plantains into your desired shapes, I'll go in with this wooden masher to mash it very well, okay? So whilst that is going on, I have with me here my spices or my seasoning, which will add extra taste to this tatale. So I have with me here some dried chili pepper, some green pepper as well, black peppercorns, cloves, calabash nutmeg, and a mix of rosemary, coriander seed, and negro pepper, okay? So I've washed everything very nicely. I've added it to my asanka. I'll go in with my wooden masher and mash it or grind it until it is very smooth, okay? All right, so if you don't have this asanka and you want to use your blender for this, why not use your blender, and your work is going to be very easy, okay? So after about 5 minutes, the plantains is doing all good right now. And the best method to get this consistency is either to grind it in your asanka or use a potato masher, because when you blend it in the blender, you're going to get the outcome or the texture very smooth, and we don't want that, okay? We want that chunkiness of plantain in there so the recipe can go out very well for us. So after getting the desired texture, I'll go in with my blended spices or seasoning. I'll mash it together with the plantain, and I'll go ahead and add in my cassava flour. I have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. You can also add in all-purpose flour or plain flour if that is what you have, okay? After mixing everything together, I'll go in with salt to taste. The salt is always to your taste, okay? Mix it very well and you are done with your tatale. All that is left is for us to heat up some palm oil. The best oil for this recipe is palm oil. You can as well use any oil of your preference, okay? And after that, I will scoop some of my plantain into my pan. Make sure not to scoop a lot of plantain into your pan because we really want to achieve the perfect results, okay? And make sure to fry this on low medium heat because we really want the outside and the inside of this tatale fried beautifully. And after 2 minutes of frying it, I'll flip it over for the other side to also fry until both sides are well cooked, okay? And I'll also repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready, okay? And if you watch till this point and you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do like my video, share for your friends and family to also enjoy this video, and also please do well to subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on that bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that for me, okay? So the second batch also is looking all good and looking all golden right now. We don't use too much oil when frying tatale. A little bit of oil goes miles away, so be mindful of the oil anytime you're frying tatale because we don't want the end product to be very oily, okay? Let me know in the comment section what you enjoy eating with Tatale. I enjoyed mine with some beans. You can also enjoy yours with any gravy or hot pepper or black chili pepper sauce, and you are definitely going to love this Tatale recipe. Kindly let me know in the comment section what you think about this plantain pancake or Tatale recipe. It came out so good and I hope you're going to try. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe for more videos every single week. Thank you for watching.